Geometric series are one of the easier series to identify. Typically, they're in the multiple choice section of the AP test. So let's get started. They are easily identifiable because they typically follow this format, AR to the power of n. The series would diverge if the absolute value of r is greater than or equal to 1. The series would converge on the other end if the absolute value of r is between 0 and 1. You can find the sum of this series by using this equation, a over 1 minus r. Now let's look at a couple examples. The first question is asking for the r as 3/2 to the power of n. Now we can easily identify that that's r according to the equation, and we know that 3/2 is greater than or equal to 1, therefore this series diverges. Since we know that this series diverges, we can't find the sum. Let's move on to another problem. The second example is 1/2 to the power of n. We can easily identify that the r is equals to 1/2, and we know that 1/2 is less than 1, so therefore this series converges. Now if the question asks for the sum of the series, we can use the equation a of 1 over 1 minus r. To find a of 1, we have to plug in n equal to 0 since this series starts at 0. So 1/2 to the 0 over 1 minus 1/2. We know that 1/2 to the power of 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. 1 over 1/2 is equal to 2. And that's geometric series.